Hi, I'm Azzy. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this present shaped Christmas card using the ScanNCut. So let me show you how. So go into patterns, into here, into this section here, and tap on the present, say OK, go into the full present shape there, say OK and set it to the mat. I want to make the present 5 3/4 inches in height. So go into edit, object edit, resize and take it up to 5 3/4 and say OK. Then we want to duplicate it, so go to here, +1 and say OK. So here that will be the front of our card. This is for the decorative elements. This bit here we want to weld it so that we've got the ribbon and the present all in one. So if we ungroup it and then weld it and say OK, so that's all become one, and we want to duplicate that. So +1. So we've got 2 of those, and now what we want to do is rotate that 180 degrees. So if we go into here, rotate it 180 degrees, move that to the top there, say OK. But we also want to mirror image it, so we just want to flip it, which is this button here. So at this point what we want to do is join these two parts of the card together to make our card base. So if we say OK here, go into the magnifying glass, go into 400, move that over and then come down to where we can see it. Right, okay, so we've highlighted the back part of the so-called back part of the card. So at this point just want to make both of the loop parts touch this loop part on the base, on the front part of the card. Whoops, not that far. There we go. Right, so is that there? There we go. Right, so now they're touching each other. So what we want to do is bring the back part of the card down by 2 nudges and the front part up by 2 nudges. So if we just take this down by 2 and tap the bottom one and take that up by 2. So you can just see they're overlapped there, so that will allow us to weld it. So if we go OK here, and we want to go into select, partial select, move this part of the mat over, say OK, OK, object edit and weld and say OK. So this is our card base and this is our decorative elements. So here what we want to do is ungroup it. So if we tap this button here again, we can then separate, tap the mat, sorry, separate these parts of the ribbon and the present. So what we want to do is if we take this up here, this is our present and that's the ribbon part of it. If you're using similar cardstock weights to cut the decorative part and the base card, then obviously you can cut it all in one. But if you're not, when you bring it back, when you retrieve it, just cut the card first and then the decorative elements. So I'm going to save mine now. Once I've done it, I'll show you what I've made. I'm really pleased how this card has turned out. It's one that's quite straightforward to do on the ScanNCut. I used glitter card and tartan cardstock to decorate it. Although this could be a card for many occasions depending on the cardstock you use to decorate. This is just to give you an idea of what it looks like when it's actually placed upright. I hope this has given you an idea of making different shaped cards using the ScanNCut. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.